Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pie divine in Gagful Guide. Start by choosing a reliable crust and pre-bake it until golden to avoid soggy disasters. Layer flavors deliberately so each bite delivers a surprise without overwhelming the palate. Keep textures varied for comedic effect and always prioritize safety with edible, non-toxic items. Taste test small portions and adjust seasoning before the final reveal to your guests. Select fillings that echo classic pies, but with a twist to make the gag work and still taste great. Think creamy custard with a hidden burst of citrus or a savory element tucked into a sweet base for a funny contrast. Keep fillings balanced so the pie remains enjoyable, not just shocking. Test small batches to perfect sweetness and salt, and remember presentation sells the joke as much as flavor does. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more fun recipes and pranks. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers, recipe help, and playful background music while you bake. It's compact, easy to use, and perfect for kitchen multitasking. Check the description for the link and other great deals, and now let's get back to the video. Presentation makes the gag believable, so plate the pie like any elegant dessert and add convincing garnishes. Serve with a warm smile and pick a moment when everyone is relaxed to maximize the laugh without causing alarm. After the joke lands, quickly reveal the gag if it could cause concern, and ensure everyone is okay. A lighthearted explanation keeps the mood fun and helps preserve friendships after the prank ends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.